In this video, I'll show you how to find Photoshop coupon codes in 2026. First, visit the official Adobe website and sign in to your Adobe account. If you don't already have an account, create one to access Adobe's subscription plans. Next, go to the Plans and Pricing page and review the available Photoshop plans. Check whether Adobe is currently offering promotional pricing, student discounts, seasonal sales, or special offers for new subscribers. After that, subscribe to Adobe's email newsletter to receive updates about upcoming promotions and exclusive deals. You can also check your Adobe account for personalized offers that may be available. Now, if you have a valid coupon code, begin the checkout process by selecting your preferred Photoshop plan. On the payment page, enter your coupon or promo code in the appropriate field and verify that the discount has been applied before completing your purchase. Finally, review your order summary to confirm the discounted price and finish the checkout process. If there aren't any active promotions, check back during major sales events, as Adobe frequently offers limited-time discounts throughout the year. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to find Photoshop coupon codes in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.